And now it's time to delve deeper into the IDX performance, where we are now connected with Astronacci founder and CEO Gama Goyardi. Gama, thank you so much for joining us today. Now, as we have heard for the past couple of days, if not weeks, Wall Street shifts from optimism to fear. How can you see that? Or how do you see this?
Yeah, if we can see also the Donald Trump tariff, it really matter for all markets, and we believe that the rebound should appear for our markets. That's the first impact of Dow Jones, S&P 500, and US 100, Nasdaq in this case. And if you're looking at the VIX index, we believe that the market has changed in terms of the volatility, the confidence. In the next 2 or 3 weeks, we are in a market. We are in a different market that we had in the previous month, especially when the Mercury retrograde will happen on the 15th of March. That will create a sideways or even a wider range of US markets. We have to pay attention to the VIX index and the S&P 500 because the market characteristic is changed, and I believe for the next 3 weeks to at least 8 weeks, in the next 8 weeks, we're looking at tougher market characteristics, especially with the Trump tariff.
And also, how do you see the U.S. stocks indices for like U.S. 100?
The short term will be in a bearish market, but at least that will remain until the next 45 days. And from that point, I believe there will be another rally until July 2025. Then the sunspot cycle on the 25th of July, I believe, that will be a next turning point for U.S. market. So that's the upside target. If you can see, we're looking at the potential bottom within this March, and then from April 2025 will be rally until July. Will create the next resistance.
And now looking inward to our own country, Indonesia, how do you see the IDX finance as a start?
Okay, IDX finance will soon rebound at a higher level, supported by Indonesia major bank. If you following the Astronacci time cycle, we believe that the February 28th will be the last bottoms of the downward movement for Indonesian stocks, from which the price should be moving in the new short-term bullish trend. Okay, and the 11th of March, I believe that will be a valid time support for JCI and mostly major bank. We're looking at the BRI as well, start rallying back after short-term correction. So in March 2025, there will be another accumulations for banking stocks, which is that will imply to the IDX finance. You will see the new bottom will be unfolding this month, and then we're looking for another rally until mid of 2025.
And also, can you fill us in with the outlook of JCI for daily?
Okay, since the 11th of March, we'll be confirming a bottoms that we believe that our time support works very well today. And when the price is going higher now, we're looking at minimums. The 14th of March, that's a minimum target for the new resistance, or the 19th of March. It means that the price could continue rally until the March 19, 2025. That's the new resistance formations for JCI. So we're pretty good until 19th of March, if I can say that. But the minimum resistance will be unfolding on the 14th of March.
Okay, so now let's go to one of the sought-after stock, BBRI or BBRI. How can you tell us about this?
This is our topics this 2025. The minimum target price for the very short-term period is 4,400, but we're looking at 6,400 as the final target price for 2025, or at least to the February 2026. So we have very high confidence that the BRI will hit that 6,400 for the midterm investor, but for the short-term traders, you're looking at 4,400 to 5,500 for the intermediate price target. If you can collect the BRI as much as you can, this March there will be a dividend for the interim dividend, I believe, and then December 2024 will be another dividend. So this will be one of the best choice for investment in Indonesian stocks.
Okay, before we let you go, because this caught a lot of attention, can you fill us in also about the gold in US dollars?
US tariff, okay, the trade war created by Trump will lead gold to fly higher and higher, and we're looking at 3,000 at minimums and then 3,105 as the intermediate target. So buy on weakness, especially we're at the Venus retrograde and Mercury retrograde effect. We're looking at this very strong bullish moment for the next 3 weeks. At least the gold will be back to 29.55 and then continue to 3,032 or 3,100.
All right, Gaman Goyardi, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much,
this
man.
afternoon. Great to see you here, and we can't wait to have you back in the studio.
Thank you.